If you're looking for an in-depth Magic Bullet versus Nutribullet comparison, then this video is for you. I'll explain all the differences between Magic Bullet blenders and the Nutribullet line of blenders so that you know which product is most worth buying. Just make sure to click the links in the description box below to see my most recommended bullet blenders. While both blenders have very similar sounding names and look almost identical to some people, Magic Bullet and Nutribullet are actually two different brands that each have their own unique lineup of products. Both brands are owned by the same parent company though, which is probably why they share so many similarities. However, in terms of blending power and performance, they're two very different products, and the right one for you depends on what you're blending and how often you're blending it, as well as on your budget. When it comes to whipping up your daily smoothie, both the Magic Bullet and Nutribullet can handle the basics, but there are key differences worth noting. The Nutribullet has a significantly more powerful motor, 600 to 1700 watts depending on the model, compared to the Magic Bullet's more modest power output of 250 watts. I can say from firsthand experience that this extra Nutribullet muscle makes a noticeable difference in your smoothie texture. For simple fruit smoothies with soft ingredients like bananas and berries, the Magic Bullet performs adequately. It's compact, easy to clean, and gets the job done for basic blends. However, if you're serious about your smoothies, the Nutribullet pulls ahead. The extra power means it can crush ice and frozen fruit much more effectively, resulting in smoother textures without those annoying chunks. Green smoothie fans will especially appreciate the Nutribullet. Tough leafy greens like kale and spinach break down more completely, giving you a smoother drink without the fibrous bits that can get stuck in your teeth. The Nutribullet's extractor blades also outperform the Magic Bullet's standard blades. This design difference means you'll get a silkier consistency in your finished smoothie. You'll find the Nutribullet particularly handy if you like adding harder ingredients to your smoothies such as nuts, seeds, or even oats for extra nutrition. When performing a Nutribullet versus Magic Bullet comparison, size and weight differences are noticeable, but might not impact your decision significantly. The Magic Bullet is more compact and lightweight, making it slightly easier to move around your kitchen. In contrast, the Nutribullet is slightly larger and heavier due to its more powerful motor, but it's still much lighter than a standard kitchen blender. However, with extra size comes extra capacity. A Nutribullet blender like the Pro 900 or the RX will get you between 24 ounces and 45 ounces of blending capacity, whereas the standard Magic Bullet jars only hold between 16 and 22 ounces. Both appliances are designed to be space efficient and won't take up much counter space. For storage, both models are comparable in terms of their footprint. You can easily tuck either into a cabinet when not in use. Regarding durability, the Nutribullet tends to be more robust with its stronger construction that accommodates its higher powered motor. This makes it better equipped to handle tougher ingredients like frozen fruits and nuts consistently. The Magic Bullet, while well made, may show wear faster if you're regularly blending harder items. Its lower powered motor isn't designed for the same heavy-duty tasks. If you move frequently or have very limited kitchen space, the Magic Bullet's smaller size might be appealing. But for most home kitchens, either blender will fit comfortably without causing storage issues. When doing a proper Magic Bullet versus Nutribullet comparison, you'll find Nutribullet offers a much wider product selection. The Nutribullet family ranges from 600 watts for the standard model all the way up to 1700 watts for the powerful Nutribullet RX. The Magic Bullet tends to focus on more compact, entry-level options. Its original model has less than half the power of even the basic Nutribullet, making it suitable for simpler blending tasks but sometimes inefficient for dense frozen ingredients. Nutribullet also has a lot more mid-range options. For example, if you want more oomph than what the standard Nutribullet can provide, but don't need the 1700 watts of blending power offered by the RX, you can opt for the Nutribullet Pro 900 instead to get 900 watts of blending muscle. The Nutribullet Ultra is another popular choice thanks to its quieter operation, sleek modern design, and 1200 watts of blending power. When it comes to combo options, Magic Bullet makes a 600-watt, 48-ounce countertop blender that comes with a to-go cup, enabling you to make larger batches of smoothies and also blend directly into a portable blending cup. While this is the more affordable option, Nutribullet steps things up with their popular full-size blender combo, which has twice the power of the Magic Bullet combo blender, more speed settings, a larger capacity, and better personal blending options. Based on its extensive features, you'd think that the Nutribullet full-size blender combo would be way more expensive than even a high-end Nutribullet personal blender, but actually, it's roughly the same price, making it excellent value for money. If you're deciding between brands, keep in mind that Nutribullet cups and Magic Bullet cups aren't interchangeable. When you're performing a Nutribullet versus Magic Bullet comparison, price is often a deciding factor. The original Magic Bullet is more budget-friendly, often costing less than $50 at some places, making it accessible for casual users or those new to blending. Keep in mind that prices can and do change. The Nutribullet models come at a higher price point, reflecting their increased power and capacity. The basic Nutribullet typically costs more than the Magic Bullet, with premium models like the Nutribullet Ultra and RX commanding even higher prices, sometimes well over $100. What do you get for your money? The Magic Bullet 11-piece set includes 3 cups, a tall cup, a shorter cup, and a party mug. This variety gives you flexibility for different serving sizes. The Nutribullet usually comes with fewer but larger containers, typically including a 24-ounce cup at a minimum. The larger capacity means you can make bigger batches in one go. Both brands offer good value provided you choose the one that matches your specific blending needs and frequency of use. For infrequent blending of soft smoothie ingredients, a Magic Bullet blender will serve you well. But if you want to tackle tough ingredients like ice and leafy greens on a regular basis, you'll be much better off with a Nutribullet blender. And with that said, I hope that my Magic Bullet versus Nutribullet comparison helped you to decide which product is right for you. Again, you'll find links to my most recommended bullet blenders in the description box below.